Hello, welcome to Mainichi Nihongo. In this video, you will learn the Japanese vocabulary list of adverbs for JLPT N4. List of adverbs Part 2. 1.
そんな
Such, like that, sort of. 2.
大
Age or period. 3.
大体
Generally, substantially. 4.
大抵
Generally, usually. 5.
だいぶ
Considerably, greatly, a lot. 6.
だから
So, therefore. 7.
確か
Certain, sure, definite. 8.
例えば
For example. 9.
たまに
Occasionally, once in a while. 10.
ダメ
Useless, no good, hopeless. 11.
ちっとも
Not at all. 12.
について
About, concerning, regarding. 13.
都合
Circumstances, condition, convenience. 14.
できるだけ
As much as possible, if at all possible. 15.
とうとう
Finally, at last. 16.
特に
Particularly, especially. 17.
途中
En route, on the way, midway. 18.
どんどん
Rapidly, steadily, little by little. 19.
なかなか
Very, considerably, quite, rarely. 20.
なるべく
As much as possible. 21.
なるほど
I see, now I understand. 22.
ばかり
Just did only. 23.
はっきり
Clearly, plainly, distinctly. 24.
久しぶり
After a long time, it's been a while. 25.
非常に
Very, extremely, exceedingly. 26.
ぴったり
Exactly, neatly, perfectly. 27.
普通
Generally, ordinarily, usually. 28.
ほとんど
Mostly, almost. 29.
まず
First of all, to start with. 30.
または
Or otherwise. 31.
ママ
As it is. 32.
みんな
Everyone. 33.
め
Number, sequence. 34.
もうすぐ
Soon, very soon. 35.
もし
If. 36.
もちろん
Certainly, of course. 37.
最も
Most, extremely. 38.
やっと
At length, at last. 39.
やはり
As I thought, absolutely. 40.
よろしい
Good, okay, alright. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do support my channel by subscribing.